Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials. Sign into the correct account and check the game version and device ID because mismatch often triggers server errors. Next, copy the redeem code exactly and record the error text and time. That helps support if needed. Once done, switch to a stable network, prefer wired or strong Wi-Fi, and close background apps that consume bandwidth. Make sure you also clear the game's cache, so the client requests fresh server tokens before retrying the redeem attempt. You now perform the core fixes that resolve most server errors. Force stop the app and clear cache to remove stale tokens, then relaunch so the client negotiates a new session. When entering the code, paste directly into the official in-game field. Third-party keyboard or clipboard tools can inject hidden characters and fail validation. If the system uses session tokens, re-log in to refresh credentials or request a new redeem token from the server. Finally, retry the redeem flow slowly, watching for any different error text. To finish, confirm the game's server status and maintenance windows because many errors stem from backend issues. If servers look healthy, attempt the redeem on another device or network to isolate device-specific or ISP problems. Document each retry with timestamps and screenshots, then gather device model, OS, game version, and exact error text. If it still fails, contact support with that packet. Include logs and the copied code so they can trace the transaction. Tip: if retries fail, wait 10-15 minutes. Transient server caches often clear by then.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.